tranny cab, storage boxes, twin wheel on the axle. It's got the race ramps on the back so you get extra load cars on. Just a good little truck really. So let's sort that winch cable out today. So folks, that's where we've got to with the winch at the moment. I'm just going to do the last bit now. Let's box that for a minute. Always need to weigh your gloves when you're doing this as well, just in case. tautness on it. So you can have a look what I'm looking at up there. So obviously basically we learned from that we need to keep the tension on at all times while we're rolling it back on, just to keep it nice and tight. And also I've just quickly nipped and got this out. It's just some WD-40 especially, fast penetrate. What I'm going to do is just spray down the side, it just helps everything basically move and keeps everything flowing nicely. So it's going to spray a bit down this. I mean, it's not going to do no harm. The only thing is, it will be sticky next time I get it out possibly. But also, you need to do it. You need to maintain these things. If you want good equipment, you've got to maintain it. And obviously with this, someone's neglected this before I've got it. So obviously, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to try and winch the last part up. I'm going to, once I finish this video, I am going to have a look online and see if I can get a new cable. If anyone wants to drop a message in the comments or anything, that would help me where to locate these things from, because obviously I'm new to all this. I'll just share my experience with you guys. I think I need to release that and wind a bit back out. You see, look how it's knotted there. That's it. You need to be super careful when doing this, because you could easily, I could imagine you could easily trap your finger quite easily. That's it, and you can see that just knocked down then. Super winch. Obviously I'll be glad when the weather's warmed up a little bit, and we can be outside doing some more tinkering. Trying to keep it all. I think though, once you've got it all wound up nicely, depending how often you use these things. See, that is not good. That would make it not wind on. I hope this video is not a boring video. I'm going to try and obviously be as quick as I can. I might try and speed some of this up. That's that king. It's obviously making it really hard. Try and keep it over that way. Well, he's trying to. And obviously, what's happened the last time it's been rolled away. I'll tell you what else might is obviously. I think you probably want something split. Quite a long video this. Right folks, as you can see I'm just on the last little bit now, and I'll tell you what, this little bit's been a bit of a nightmare. Because I was just trying to coil, but I think it just keeps slipping. I mean, it's not the end of the world. I just thought, well, I've gone to all this trouble now, I need to at least make it nice the last bit. But you can see there guys, that's where it's king. So that is not ideal, and it definitely would not be safe. I don't want to use this, and to be fair, I've been putting myself off doing jobs because of it. I just think I haven't got a winch to do that, which we need to do these days. Work and earn some pennies. I don't know if I can go on that. Get some tuck pennies in. That's it. That does look loads better. So there you go guys, that is how, so that's how you want it to look. So if you remember at the start of my video, I'm going to try and insert a picture if I can. You'll see what a mess it was. But now that looks 10 times better. I literally cannot wait neither to wash and clean it all. Right here, split pen. So get that off. So my next video is I'm going to be replacing that, another one, and I shall show you how to change that. So stay tuned for next time guys. Thank you for watching this little video. Please like and subscribe and all that nonsense. I'm trying to build this channel up, hopefully help some people along the way, and I enjoy doing it as well. See you in my next video guys. Thanks.